Hello everyone, you are watching Daily English, Day 7, from TeacherTechTube. This is Sam, your personalized English speaking coach. Today I am gonna teach you 15 ways to respond to, how are you? 1. I am good. 2. So-so. 3. I am doing great. 4. Surviving. 5. I am on the top of the world. 6. Not so bad. 7. I am fine. 8. I must not grumble. 9. I can't complain. 10. Okay, thanks. 11. All right, thank you. 12. Very well, thank you. 13. Quite well. 14. Extremely well. 15. Pretty fair. Thank you for watching. Please